Hello, my friends, from daring drivers causing dangerous crashes and chaos, ignoring traffic rules or careless collisions from trucks out of control, are all in today's video. Come with us to explore real-world traffic hazards and discover the safest ways to stay alert while driving. Buckle up and let's begin. Clue: an accident involving a chemical powder truck happened in a neighborhood area in the video. The screeching sound you hear as the truck's brakes fail. Watch closely. Here, I wonder how he stays so calm and composed. What a spirit of steel. The report said that because he was using his phone while driving and causing the incident, fortunately no one was injured. The action was commendable, but perhaps the driver could use a refresher, driving course, and a guide to staying calm under pressure. A bus was swept away by raging water after heavy rains in northern India. There were no passengers on board when the incident occurred. The roads of San Diego were terrorized by a former soldier driving a stolen tank in 1995. This is the real-life version of a 5-star wanted level. When you have an accident and try to escape, but your car just says no. tragic accident in Missouri was captured on video from a nearby home in the video. You can see a car flying at high speed before crashing into a house. The female driver died in the accident, but fortunately, 5 people in the house were not injured.
Response over and over again. I'm not saying this frequently on the campaign trail, but a reporter from Vox in a completely different take writing, quote, and this is the title of the article, I saw Marco Rubio town hall in New Hampshire.
Hampshire. The bulldozer driver fell from the top of the mountain. Luckily, he survived, and the bulldozer did not run over him. The video shows the man running to the other world. On April 5, 2017, a high-speed chase unfolded through eastern Detroit, ending in Hamtramck. The video shows a van speeding through residential areas with Detroit police in hot pursuit. The driver, a woman, tried to escape by weaving through back streets and sidewalks. She eventually abandoned the van in Hamtramck and tried to flee on foot, but was caught after failing to climb over a fence. When someone asks how members of the family in Berlin drive this, might be the answer. A showcase of chaos skill and unpredictability. A highly artistic method of descending slippery, snowy slopes caught everyone's attention. The door seems to want its owner to stay home. The bus driver drove for 9 hours, and he was at his limit. On Queen Street West in Toronto, police spotted a stolen Dodge Ram using the ALPR system. When instructed to pull over, the suspects fled, colliding with multiple patrol vehicles before crashing into a store. Meanwhile, elsewhere, a truck carrying 20 tons of liquefied gas landed in the Deb River. This driver is the complete package. A perfect combination of skill and luck, absolutely. Top notch. The tractor trailer stopped with a flat tire and pulled over to the side of the road. The driver of the second tractor trailer failed to stop and collided with the stopped truck, causing no serious damage. Imagine if that was the policeman's first day on the job. He'd probably be haunted for the rest of his life. The car lost control and flew off the overpass and crashed into the crowd below. I wonder if they could build a bridge and not have a barrier. Always be careful of unexpected gifts from other sources. while everyone might think he was intentionally trying to escape after causing the accident. The truth is far stranger. He was just testing the durability of the wheel.